And to talk about like how AI enhances the malware and ransomware, like we need to understand like how the threat protection tool actually works. So the threat protection tool like will do and complete analysis of the logs, the network logs, the user action logs. It will log everything. So it will predict the outliers of this particular log and detects that as a suspicious activity and reports to the SOC team. So this is how the traditional threat protection tool works. When it's an introduction to AI, right? So what it does is like AI adapts to the nature of logs and understand the pattern of networks and user actions, and it adapts the and mutate to the actual behavior. And it is difficult to for the threat protection tool to detect the suspicious activity with an actual activity. So in this case, like the attacker can persist their access even though and it's become undetectable with the security tools. So that's advanced the AI is. And also the execution, like nobody needs to be an expert in overall security to execute a successful attack. If they know the basics of how things works and networks or how internet works, with a simple English, like they can go to warm GPT. It's similar to chat GPT without any restriction. So they can just put in the prompt and get the code and any execute that attack. So the speed of attack and the sophistication of attack, everything is comprises. And that's how like the AI enhances the overall attack flow here. So preventing with one particular solution is not enough to the modern day security landscape. So for that, like we would need a layered, multi-layered efforts, right from identity security, endpoint security, and data layered security is the solution that we would need to have. So with that, like Microsoft has this platform where called Microsoft XDR, which allows a different set of tools to protect against the threat protection. So we can move on to the next thing, like to understand about like what would business require to protect and how Microsoft ecosystem supports that layered defense kind of strategy there.